my news. Right, come forward.
Aha, Caleb Yeslord TV, Mamu Akwaba, and there 20th January 2025, and there a birthday of Lekzy DeComic, one of the giants in Ghana comedy industry. No more say, Oba wa Jini Din pa now. Enra na 19th January, and a set of comedians, friends, family, media people organize a surprise pre-birthday party. Emma Lekzy DeComic, or Tantra ho baby. So at now. Mimpese me de kasa on how the kind of videos are course of her. So from people arriving at the venue, that's the comedians, media people, family and friends arriving. From the arrival to to the birthday man coming to the venue to witness his surprise, to birthday wishes from friends, family, media people, ni parents, ni papa, a bompa man, or ni mami can be friends, a man of good birthday wishes, fellow comedians, by Fia Barcelona, Parrot Mouth, Chemical, Obi Amponsah, Kwame Obed, Kofi, Jankas, Yakoma KSM Electricals, Papaya Atamli. Any other comedians bebre ebaya on be surprise your community omo we share no birthday and a surprise dada KD with a little touch of Daddy Lumba Obi Amponsah so new hairstyle or the people that was the surprise of the surprise package. Any other afterwards no enjoyment kakre course no me pese me de kasa on be breaky from the arrival to the end of the party in my one in a video. Enjoy.
What's up, Kwakwana?
Charlie, what's up?
Hey, Daddy Lumba.
Hey, Jojo, how's Daddy Lumba?
Confirm one there.
Hey, it's time for your surprise. That's Katie. Tata Katie's in the booty.
But the papa, I can't say, or whoop you nothing, no. Papa, offer money.
Lekzy DeComics birthday surprise party. As you can see, there are a lot of drinks. Yeah, and the title. So you can serve yourself. Obi, maybe I know. Let's make the. There's. I didn't MC.
No, that's the
Okay,
I am.
okay. Well, for the camera.
Let's go.
Yo, so there's food. So a lot of food, yeah, for the camera.
How you guys know it's not a lot?
We are gonna have fun. There's a lot of surprise artists. Yeah, coming. So have fun. More 7 more honey are there. Then you Chebina. You coffee. Yeah. So good. And it'll be a birthday wish, like something like you wish for, like something you want to. Maybe your day up. You need to say, oh, let me begin with mine. Ow. Lekzy DeComic. But I have something to say about Lekzy DeComic. So I was before I started comedy, it was my dream to be good. And then I started at the comedy club. Lekzy DeComic, the first time I met him, he had met me like 3 times, but the last one he met me in another curriculum. So he met me, I was in Chaps. Now I'm looking at stage. I'm not bam no catch him say, Kwame. Next time I will say Chalo interview me. Maybe be you on stage. Seriously, he told me that. And I said my catch him and say, if you want to charge 5,000, dress 5,000.
So where do I start from? Okay, so Lekzy has been a very good brother to me. Nah, what you say? Oh, okay, volume. All right. Hello, testing mic 1 2 2. Okay. But just so be at me, can. Madam Wansi. Okay. So, I came to comedy club one time, and I didn't attend comedy club as a comedian. I came there, it was Obi's younger sister that directed me to the place. So I came there as Obi's younger sister. No, I'm actually pointing at Obi. So so I came there as a normal guy to witness how things are going. Okay, Charlie Bay. Yeah. Okay, so back to me. So I came there, I was witnessing, I was learning. When I saw Lekzy, I was like, I think I see myself in him, or I see him in me. Musa. And interestingly, the first day I got there, he used me as an example to one of his jokes. Me named baby roasting on Kaikra or roasting. So, in fact, I don't know why I went to. He asked me to come and sit for it. He asked me to come for it. Do or not send me if you, and I didn't want to sit in front again. I had to go back. Then there was an event. The gentleman that just entered took me to. That was where Lekzy found out that the guy is a comedian. And I was like, now they go here. Comedian, now I own senior man. That's everywhere. Businessman, Biama. So he now said, he now introduced me to Comedy Club properly. So I got there and then he gave me the platform. It was good. Then from there, I decided to have my comedy special. I was scared because Obia will see a few months also pursue a comedy special. But then on that day, he came immediately. He got in. I asked my people to call him. He came there, and then I was like, Nana, to be him. And then from that time, he started giving me, different platforms. I think my first few stages were the Laugh Line stage, and my very first time at National Theatre was thanks to Lekzy. That day, he was with me and PJ. I actually went to PJ's house. We came to the National Theatre together for that show, and it was a good one. From that time, he has really been of help, Charlie, with the advice, with everything. Lekzy is such a great guy, Charlie. I'm so happy I know you, Charlie. Happy birthday to Lekzy. Cheers, Charlie. Cheers. I mean, as a Ghanaian, sometimes Ghana enters you when you are there, but you sometimes can't find the right person to lift you up. But in so many times and in so many ways. Please listen, I'm talking. Thank you. Yeah. I'm talking about Lekzy, man. Lekzy. Yeah. So he has been a great motivation to me in comedy and in life in general. And I was really happy the first time I got to learn he was a Saturday born. I didn't know. I saw it on his Facebook profile. Someone said Kwame something. I'm like, oh, yo, Charlie, me too. I'll be Saturday born. And I was proud. I felt, hey, Charlie, then getting recognized again.
You want to hear me say something about you because I rarely really talk about Lekzy. I think like Seto and I, we just became friends through Oberima. And I see him, I don't know how to explain that. I see who he is. I see what he's doing to become another version of himself, and it's admirable. The first time admirable. The first time I actually saw Lekzy's raw talent was the two of you did an improv something. I don't remember what it was on stage. I think so. Man, it was mind blowing. And then I thought to myself that you guys were made here, but you're meant for the world. So I wish you the very best, and ending wealth and happiness, long life, everything really that your heart desires, Lekzy. I hope you get it. Happy birthday.
Lekzy or the Lekzy DeComic. Lekzy ni papa abusuafo. Me back cry me baba join multimedia Adom Sports. In fact, Asempa Sports. Ne me sam benya kwenya me ye irrigated no. Na me wo me krom kransa me adwuma bunu mam nyina na me monitor bedwuma di na bedi no. Unse it got to some time Ghana comedy ankasa no okofam. Cause unya ba since concert party time no ye share nya ba be ani. And even with this stand up comedy no kra be no utimi say na Nigeria for no akwa be fa no say Clinton Grand ko so hwan. Sorry. Yeah, akwa bisu krade bofi ana basketball. Banyina na utimi say be the standard na do be di ama Nigeria. Na ohwe DK bi etwam wo kakra na obi one Lekzy ane munuanu mamaka no money say mo aba be pija Ghana comedy no from campaign time na ni ya de okwa no bokom boxing arena ane ya nyina so sweet brief.
Lekzy, I would say, is my brother because anybody from Kwewu is my brother, because I'm also from Kwewu. And that's not the way I got to know him. I got to know him through comedy because I've been so crazy about it.
Sorry.
So my 5 minutes has been paused, so don't worry. I've been so crazy about comedy for so many years. Entertainment started for me since SHS. Yes, I've been a school DJ, I've been a school MC, I've been everything. And I was on the music side, but out of the blue, I developed love for comedy. And that is why today I'm here. Having loved his craft, I think he's one of the few people who can mimic everybody in Ghana.
He's the only person.
Well, for now, he's the only person. Because if you can mimic Kufo, mimic Nana Kunedu Ajiman Rollins, mimic everybody here, and mimic his own father, then it tells you that he's more than a talent. And all I can say is that, my brother, God bless you, and God keep on keeping you on onto higher heights.
Please, my father. My father is talking.
Yes, I'm a surprise. Every bomb, man, yes, I'm organizing a program we know. Not my surprise. But we be a mono emphasis that I'm ready. My first born, no.
I paved the way.
Now, most life begins at 40, but at the age of 35, no. Hana fe inshirano. Mesre unyango po inshira. Unyame atum. Unyame bambo. Edemau. Radima baby odo na be sibia enye inshira. Oma omoma so nya dense watamfo. Ase na Bible kan wonam kwan ba akoso ba wanimu a. Onfa kwan so nwane mfi wanim. Baby ona be sibia nya o chefa. Radin hwe so. Wadi fie no fi ba enya ne dia. Woda wono na. Wo sori a wono sori. Wadwuma wo ye awrade man nkoso. Onhyira wo. Esense na ewususu. Ibise we nyame agya, nyame oba, nyame nkronkron dim. Amen.
Amen.
Yo, enuanum adofo a yehia mu ha. Edamase bebre. Ene mu adom a mo de abedum mu nuen. Edamase. Yesre nyame nhyira ma mu nyina. Se afia wode kan ne de no. Sa na awrade mfa bi nka mu nyina mo de. Edamase na dom ne nti. Amen.
Live on 104.3 Peace FM, 101.7 okay, and 42.1.
Eti Kwame Ebechana Obano so yeah, you know. Baby so yeah then they sana babote. Sisi ano Nyankopon my na 70 years. What you have? Kwame, what do age bracket now? Omude ekati of employment no.
Yeah.
Onim sa na si anu mahu.
By free year actually me trick.
Send the way to my 2 ages so. Is this say requirement is 18 to 35.
Propose a toast to the life of Lekzy. Yeah. Propose a toast to long life. Yeah. Good health. Yeah. Good health. Yeah. More money. Yeah. More deals. Yeah. More endorsements. Yeah. More open doors. Yeah. Above all, long life and good health. Yeah. This year he will marry. Yeah. He will marry a good woman. Amen. A woman that will take their career to the next level. Amen. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! For the last time, hip, hip, hip. Hooray!
So that was the birthday, pre-birthday party, surprise pre-birthday party, and ma Lekzy, tantra ho side, and I said, Nam Dininya, bro, Namias, me Pimo, na Miss me call boy, Hatias, and a Bibian, so Kamanti. That was a surprise birthday party for Lekzy and Ra Corso, Accra, as a kama, and I said, I'm out for so cancel on your non worry, because. Settings, agenda boys in Supimo, near the auntie, and a surprise birthday party, no, Necoso, and a Lekzy birthday in Tiakopon Shano, or Yanakoma Sudi in Yaman, or manning group better and bigger is one person I admire so much. He or motivate you, and who be on and so he will find a nice way to tell you. And right now on TSC, people are saying he's straightforward, he's that kind of person. I bring you on board on the team, Boama. Brand na elevating. Happy birthday, kasi nkoma Lekzy DeComic. Emmanuel Anson. Ni di na nkasa no. Yankopo nsha no nye kasi. Caleb Yeslord TV. Kindly subscribe across all social media platforms. Caleb Yeslord. Caleb Yeslord TV. Facebook page. Now follow. Snapchat. Caleb Yeslord 77. Energy ni wo ho. Vibe. Thanks for watching. Bye.